Conclusion. About a year ago, I received an email from my mentor that changed my financial destiny. I'll tell you what this email was all about in a minute, but first, let me tell you about my mentor. At the time, I was paying $10 a month to have access to an internet marketing membership website loaded with quality content on how one could build their own list of prospects aching to buy from them. Every month, the owner would have a new top-notch PDF report along with videos and audios. I loved it. The information was so good that I would have paid any price to get access to this info, but I wasn't about to tell him that. Now, back to the infamous email. I remember the morning well. I was going through the usual morning ritual of reading and answering my emails when I opened an email that said, "Coaching program closes in an hour." It turned out the email was from my mentor, the owner of that $10 a month membership site. He was launching an online business coaching program, a step-by-step, hold-your-hand type of coaching program. The cost was $200, and he was only going to let 50 people in the program. Now, if you do the math, this email he fired off to his members must have taken him 20 to 30 minutes to write at most. But within 2 hours of hitting the send button, he'd already cashed in $10,000. That just blew my mind. The genius here wasn't in making $10,000 in a couple of minutes with a simple email. The genius here is that anyone who puts in motion a long-term plan, creates a membership site, offers quality content at an affordable price, and over-delivers all the way through can and will succeed. So what did I learn the day I received that email? Well, I discovered the power of membership sites and how over-delivering and underselling could lead to a small fortune. Now today, more than ever, many online marketers have created marketing strategies solely based around membership sites. Many run on autopilot and turn in huge profits. But once again, it's not so much the site as much as it is the marketing behind it.